Good morning, dear children. So I hope you are studying well at your home and you are fit and fine. So dear students, today we are moving to chapter number 11, representation of data. Okay, today we will learn about representation of data. Okay, so what is the representation of data? Representation of data means we will be given some information and we have to represent that information. Okay, so how we represent our data, today we will learn and we will discuss it in brief. So dear children, the first method to represent our data is through pictograph. Okay, what is pictograph? When we represent a given amount of data or any numerical data through pictures, that is called pictograph. Okay, picto means or pic means photographs. Okay, when we represent any data, any information through the pictures or with the help of some pictures, so that is called pictograph. Okay, sometimes we are given facts about a particular situation, okay, which have to be represented and understood in a clear situation or in a clear manner, because pictures help us to get a clear idea and to remember better. Okay, we remember the things more better or in a more better way when we look at the pictures. Okay, if we are given any statement or any paragraph is given and a clear picture is along with that paragraph, so it is more clear to understood what is being told in that paragraph. Okay, when you do unseen passages, when you see pictures around yourself, so you remember some of the things that okay, this picture is related to this. Okay, you get ideas that this picture is related to that thing. Okay, for example, when you go to the markets, okay, and you see big hoardings in the market. So whenever a picture of bicycle or a motorbike is on the hoarding, so what do you understand from that picture? That this company is advertising about their brand. Okay, or whenever you look at the things when they have pictures in them, you remember them in a better way. Okay, so that is why pictograph is used to represent data or to represent any information that we have to convey to other people. Okay, and pictograph is easy because only at a glance we understood about the things that what this picture is going to tell us. Okay, what is the total data, what is the total scene or what is the total situation in that picture. Okay, so let us solve or let us look at some examples related to pictograph. So let us have a look on our first example. Okay, look at this pictograph. Okay, it is a pictograph. You can see there are chocolates. Okay, these are number of chocolates. Okay, these are number of chocolates and these are classes first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so now let us suppose that on Independence Day these classes got some chocolates. Okay, and only these number of students were present 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 in second class and 1, 2, 3 and 4 in third class and only 1 in fourth class. Okay, so these number of chocolates were distributed to the number of students present. Okay, so in first class 3 chocolates were distributed, in second class 2 chocolates were distributed, in third class 1, 2, 3 and 4 chocolates were distributed, and in fourth class only 1 chocolate is being distributed. Okay, now you can clearly see that which class got the maximum number of chocolates here, that is third class. So by looking at this pictograph, you can easily tell that which class got the maximum and which class got the least number of chocolates. Okay, so this is our data. Okay, this is our data. Here is our classes, first, second, third, fourth, and here we have number of chocolates that were distributed. So we have arranged our data according to this. At one side, at one row we have put our classes, and on the other columns we have put number of chocolates that were distributed. Okay, so which class got the maximum number of chocolates? Third class. And which class got the least number of chocolates? That is fourth class. Okay, so by looking at this, you can easily tell which has got the maximum number, which has got the least number, which class has got 2 chocolates, which class has got 3 chocolates. Okay, so after this pictograph, you will be asked some questions like how many chocolates are there, which class got the maximum number of chocolates, which class got only 2 chocolates, which class got only 1 chocolate, which class got 3 chocolates, like this. So after looking at this pictograph, you just have to answer the questions that 4th class got only 1 chocolate, 2nd class got 2 chocolates. Okay. Now let us have a look on our second example. Okay. So these are number of months and these are number of apples sold in kg. Okay, these are sold in kg. If it is 1 and 2, it means 2 kg of apples are sold in month of February. Okay, so as you can see, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 kg of apples are sold in the month of January. 2 kg apples are sold in the month of February, and 3 kg of apples are sold in the month of March, and only 1 kg of apple are sold in the month of April. So you can clearly understand from this pictograph that in the month of January, maximum number of apples were sold, and in the month of April, least number of apples were sold. Okay, so here you can clearly see from this pictograph that some facts are given to us. Okay, what are those facts? That in the month of January, in the month of February, March and April, these number of apples were sold. These facts are called data. Okay, and this data we have represented it in the form of picture. Okay, if I simply write 4 kg of apple is being sold in January, 2 kg of apple is being sold in February, 3 kg of apple is sold in March. Okay, so that is not data because there is no picture in our data. But when our data or the information that is given to us, it contains some pictures, that is called pictograph. Okay, so I hope, dear children, you must have understood about representation of data through pictograph. Okay, pictograph means representation of data through pictures. Okay, we have been given some facts, we have some information, and we represent that information and those facts with the help of pictures. Okay, so after this I will be sending you exercise 11.1 that you have to fill in your book only. Okay.